We will talk about the application access, what it is. I am the admin, and how many users are going to use my Jira in my organization. Let's take example 3000 users are going to use it. Okay, I have bought license for the 3000 users. Okay, out of 3000, how many currently how many users are using the application, and what is the license, how I'm providing it, how I can get to know. Okay, so first of all, just click on the application cog button, go to application. Under application, click on the application access. Here you can see these are the groups are available in your Jira. Okay, for which group you want to give her as a license. Okay, so I am removing this Jira test, I am removing this one as well. You can see currently only 2 users. You can ask, hey, admin is also there, Jira software user is also there, and why it's not showing the 3? Because Jira software user and admin, if someone is having both of them, they will count as a one user only. Okay, it will not count as a multiple user, it will count only for one license. If I am creating any of the user, by default it will get Jira software user. If you want to provide Jira users like this, you can see. Okay, how many licenses are used right now? 4 licenses. What is the default one I am making? I am making Jira user as a default one. Let me show you. Go to user management. Under user management, you just Jira user, remove this one, click on filter. You can see these are the users are there. Out of these, how many users you are showing? These out of 2. These 2 are the license are having, they are active. Okay, other user are inactive one. Okay, let me make any user active. Click here, sorry, my bad. Go back, click on edit, click on active, update. This is active. Here you can select status also active one. Now 3 users I am seeing. Go here, refresh the page, you can see 5. 3 or these 3 are having, so total are 5. Okay, because some of user are not having Jira software one. Okay, and let me remove it. So what is the license is going to count? It's counting only one, because earlier this is not a common one. Okay, if I will give the Jira user to this permission, so it will not show like this. So like this you can check the application access, how many users are there. I am using the free version, this is also unlimited user. But if you have bought for the 4000 or 5000 or 10,000, how many users license you have bought, those licenses you can see over here. So this is the way you can check it. Thank you for watching.